And here we are at Belfast Studio Rental. When you come in, you're greeted with 7 4x6 foot southwest facing windows with blackouts curtains on them. There's also a conference table, coffee and tea and water area, changing area. Inside the changing area, there's a clothes rail and a steamer. There's a makeup area. On the wall there is a Bluetooth stereo. The studio itself is 65 feet long from wall to wall with a usable space of about 50 or 55 feet. It's approximately 20 feet wide, 12 feet to the beams, and another foot or so after that to the absolute ceiling. There's a 7-foot tall mirror, some posing stools. There's 16 feet of smooth wall that can be wallpapered or painted for a background. As well, there's stands available, triple riser stands on wheels, there's boom, lots of C-stands, auto poles, there's a 6-foot tall ladder. There's lots of table surfaces, folding tables. There's 8 of them in total. There's 2 8x8 foot wall flats that can easily be moved by one person. They can be arranged to create your own space within the studio. There's 2 gas heaters if it's cold in the wintertime. There's also lots of extension cords. There's a simple wind machine, some large apple boxes, and of course there is the walls, the brick walls that are original from at the time when this was a linen factory. They've been painted over several times, but they have lots of character and kind of creates a loft feeling. So yes, this is the studio at Belfast Studio Rentals. Along with the studio, we also rent out lighting equipment, mostly pro photo. So please check out our rental guide on the website. Thank you very much.